In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes for products in Stripe. This process will take just about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have the skills you need to offer enticing promotions to your customers. Let's dive in. To start, open your web browser and navigate to stripe.com. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first, but if you're already a member, move your cursor towards the upper right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. It's time to log into your Stripe dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to double check that you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. If everything checks out, go ahead and click the sign in button to access your account. Now you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard homepage. This is where you'll manage all your payment processing tasks, but our focus today is on creating discount codes. From here, look for the product catalog section. This is your one-stop shop for managing the products that you sell through Stripe. Click on product catalog, and once there, navigate to the coupons area. This section is essential as it is where you'll create and manage discount codes for your products with ease. Once in the coupons area, you'll see a create coupon button. Give it a click to get started on a new discount offer. Now let's start customizing the discount code. First up, you'll need to type in a name for your coupon. It's best to choose something memorable and descriptive so both you and your customers know exactly what this code is for at a glance. Next, select a type for your coupon. You have options here and the choice will depend on your promotional strategy. Whether you're offering a percentage off or a set amount, pick the type that aligns best with what you're hoping to achieve. Setting the duration is the next step. Decide whether you want this discount to be available for a specific period or run indefinitely. Carefully consider what duration will create the right sense of urgency for your customers. After determining the duration, you must set the redemption limits for your discount code. This is where you specify any restrictions such as how many times the code can be used or whether it's valid for new or returning customers. Once you're satisfied with the settings and details, it's time to make your coupon live. Click the Create Coupon button, and just like that, your discount code is ready to be shared with your audience. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to create discount codes in Stripe. Implementing these steps will help enhance your sales strategy and provide added value to your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with Stripe.